expired at this point.
It was expired.
What kind of vehicle was Bonanno in?
He was in a BMW SUV.
Was there any other credible threats that you made outside of the ones to his family, anything related to the hospital or anywhere else? I mean, that's a lot of
Yeah, not
ammunition
they're
for
aware
that.
of. We have collected a lot of electronics from both his residences and as well as on his person, and we will be doing a forensic analysis of those electronics.
What was his demeanor when officers approached him? What did he say?
They believed him to be intoxicated, however, it was calm and non-combative.
Was he escorted out the bar, or he left by himself?
He walked out by himself. He was not unruly in the bar or anything that would have caused him to be thrown out of the bar.
So you just waited for him to come out and then arrested him?
It kind of happened simultaneously. As the officers arrived, he walked out into the parking lot.
Did he give any explanation as to why he had all this done?
He invoked his right to counsel right away, and we really haven't had an opportunity to speak to him.
Would you do kind of reverse engineer all the purchases to find out?
This is a very ongoing investigation with the help of the District Attorney's Office Technical Unit as well as other means. We are actively pursuing what, if any, were his plans beyond the night of his arrest.
Do you know of any other past incidents in the village between the suspect and his wife, or the estranged wife? Any incidents that you remember responding to?
None come to mind.
Do you know how long he's been estranged from his wife?
I believe it's several years, but I don't have the exact number. Apparently, he and his estranged wife did have a relationship that was cordial.
Any kids?
I believe there's one child.
No other questions?
You mentioned the extreme risk protection. Could you describe that again? You said that's something you're pushing for?
Well, it's called the red flag law.
Oh, the red flag law, yes.
The extreme risk protection law orders that recently passed here in New York State. And it provides the opportunity for family members, school personnel, district attorney's office, law enforcement, when they believe a person is in crisis and has access to weapons, to interview that individual, try to separate that individual in crisis, if they believe so, from those weapons temporarily. And they're entitled to a hearing within 6 days. And it's going into effect within 2 weeks or so. So it's going to be something, another weapon for us to use to try to reduce the number of these incidents. Because many times that we hear about these tragic incidents, we learn that there were red flags out there, just like this type of weapon.
What weapon did he have on him in the bar?
I'm sorry, what?
What weapon did he have on him in the bar?
I don't believe he had a weapon on him in the bar.
Okay.
There was belief that he did have the weapon on him from the person who called, but it appears that he then took the weapon and stashed it in his friend's car that he drove over with, and that's where the weapon was actually recovered.
Where was his car was located at the bar?
His car, I believe, was located on Highview Avenue at his estranged wife's house.
His parked in front of his...
It's on the driveway, I believe. I wasn't at the scene. I defer to the chief on that.
So how did he get to the bar?
He was picked up by a friend.
So he was at the bar with a friend, left his vehicle at his estranged wife's house. You guys get called there. You don't find those weapons till you get back to the estranged wife's house.
No.
Yeah, one weapon was found in the friend's car, the loaded Glock handgun that was he was seen in possession of earlier, and the rest of the weapons were found in the defendant's personal car, which was parked at the estranged wife's house. Okay, thank everyone for coming. There will be a display downstairs of all the weapons and some of the other things that were collected. I appreciate everyone coming. Have a good day.